Say your name. What's your name?
No.
You don't know your name?
What's your name?
No.
Do you think I should put more marshmallows?
What's your name?
Your name's Susie. Okay.
No.
Oh, what is it?
Do you think I should put Gracie?
Okay, your name's Susie. Okay, how much?
Michaela.
Oh, you're Michaela. There you go.
Yes, you should.
Okay, Michaela. This cup is empty, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, and does this cup have water in it?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at Jordan.
You put it in.
I put it in. But
It's mine.
it's yours? But how much is in here? Is the same that was in here? Michaela. Michaela.
Hey, Michaela, turn around. We're learning like Dee Dee. Come here.
Michaela.
Look.
Hold on. Can
Go
I
ahead.
have some water?
No, don't drink
No,
it.
don't drink it. Don't drink it.
Wait,
Here,
you
put
can
it
drink
down.
You can drink it afterwards. Let's finish this.
Sure.
Wait, Michaela.
Sure, Sheila.
Look at it.